Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases here for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. These are the Ringke Slim cases, and huge thanks and shout out to them for sending these out for us to take a look at here on the channel. They're currently going for around 24 bucks on Amazon, and if by the end of this video you do find yourself interested in any of these cases here, I'll make sure to have some links down in the description below. But let's go ahead and check them out. So as you can see, I got three different ones here. We got black, we got a matte clear, and then a regular clear case. I actually really like this matte clear right here. It's one of the ones that I use on my Galaxy Z Fold 2. These are all slim cases and they are all two-piece cases, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and get started, starting with the regular clear case. Now you will notice these black strips on the edges of both of the cases. We also got them on the top and at the bottom, and what these do is basically help these cases stay more secure on your device. If I get kind of a close-up here on it, you can kind of see, let me try to get it with my nail. There's a little sticker right there, look at that. I can peel this whole thing off, and what that does is it exposes an adhesive just to help it stay even more secure on your device. But let's go ahead and try it on the phone. Now you don't have, I'm not going to expose the adhesive for now for the purpose of this video. That way I can be able to swap these off back and forth. But this is what the front one's going to look like. Pops on there nice and easy. Let's go ahead and throw on the back one. Pops on nice and easy, nice and secure, and it actually feels like it's really secure on there even without exposing that adhesive right there. I mean, I can try to push the case off with my finger right here. As you can see, I can kind of pop it up here on the side, but I mean, there's no way I'm gonna be able to slide this case off. I mean, it's on there pretty good. So whether you expose that adhesive or not, I mean, it feels like it's going to stay on here pretty nice and secure. But with this clear case right here, you'll be able to show off the beautiful backing of your Galaxy Z Fold 3 device. I absolutely love this color right here, the Phantom Silver. And then this is what the front is going to look like. And it doesn't add too much bulk to the device itself. Like I said, these are all slim cases. So let's go and take a look at the back here. So taking a close look at the cameras here, as you can see, we got a pretty good deep enough cutout to where it should protect those cameras if you happen to drop your device on a flat surface. So it should be able to give them some pretty good, decent protection. Then we got some Ringke branding there at the bottom. We also have holes right here in case you want to put a lanyard around there so you don't risk losing your device, or you can keep it around your wrist. So if you accidentally drop it, at least it's hanging from your wrist with that lanyard right there. Going down to the bottom, we do have cutouts for the speaker, microphone, and the charging port. And then again, we have those adhesive strips. And like I said, this is a two-piece case, so it does leave it open here where the hinge is. But as soon as you open the device up, boom, it covers the whole hinge right there. So they do meet as soon as you open up the device. And again, this is what it's going to look like closed. So as you can see, it does not add too much bulk. Then going to the front, you're gonna get a pretty good lip all around the display right there. So it should give you some pretty good protection if you do happen to drop your phone face down on a flat surface like that. So even though it's a thin case, it's still going to give your phone some good protection. Going over here to the side, the buttons are exposed, both the power button, fingerprint sensor, and the volume rockers there. And even though they are exposed, they're still going to get protection, like I said, if you do drop it on a flat surface, because there is some raise around it on both sides right here. So as you can see, you get a good raise there. So if you do happen to drop it on its sides, hopefully, you know, this power button and volume rockers, they shouldn't touch any flat surface. The SIM card slot is covered right there. This whole side is covered on the top portion of this case. And then we got cutouts for the speaker and the microphones up here at the top as well. But overall, pretty good looking case here. Like I said, clear case to show off the beautiful backing of your device. It's going to give your device some good, decent protection while not adding too much bulk. Let's go ahead and test out wireless charging. I got a wireless charger right here. Let's test it out. Let's see if wireless, there we go. So wireless charging does work with this case right here. So let's go ahead and move on to the matte clear case. So moving on to the matte clear case, it's going to pop on just the same, just like that. Let's go ahead and put on this front piece right here. Pops on nice and easy, and look at that. Okay, so like I said earlier, this is actually one of my favorite ones right here because you're still getting that nice matte finish in the back. It's not too glossy. It's not going to track any fingerprints, or if it does, it's going to be really hard to see those fingerprints. Look at how good that looks, but it's going to give you the same amount of protection as the one we just saw. So as you can see there, got a decent cutout for those cameras right there. Got a nice cutout for the volume rockers and the power button. Cutouts up here for the speaker and microphones, same at the bottom for the speaker, microphones, and that charging port, still exposed here on the side. But of course, if we do open it, boom, it covers that hinge right there. So that hinge will be protected if you do happen to accidentally drop it while it is open. Now, one thing that I did forget to show with the previous case here when the device is open like this is the protection for that inside display. So you're going to get very, very little raise over the existing edge. The existing edge of the device itself is already raised up just a little bit to protect that display if you happen to accidentally drop it face down. Now the case itself is going to be raised up just a tiny bit higher. I mean, it's almost flush with the existing edge of the phone, but we do get a little bit of raise there, as you can see. So not too much, but it is there. So it's going to give you a little bit of extra protection if you happen to accidentally drop it face down on a flat surface. Keep that in mind. I'm saying a flat surface. If there's a rock right here, it's definitely not going to protect that inside display. But overall, I mean, this is a good looking case. You're still getting the same protection for that display on the outside. Again, same cutouts and everything. But I just really love the overall look of this matte finish in the back. I think it's my favorite out of all three of them because I still get to show off, you know, the beautiful backing of this device and still keep that matte finish in the back. And then of course, it's going to work with wireless charging as well. We'll test it out anyways. There we go. As you can see, wireless charging does work with this case right here. So let's go ahead and move on to the black one here. So moving on to the black slim case here, it's going to slap on nice and easy, just like the last two. Let's go ahead and throw on this front piece here. There we go, on there nice and secure. And this is what it's going to look like. Now it's more of a matte finish. Let's get a close up here. So you're not going to get any glossiness going on to where it'll attract any fingerprints or anything like that. You will start noticing fingerprints after a while. You'll have to wipe it down. But for the most part, you're getting a matte finish that's not going to attract a whole lot of fingerprints. And I actually think it looks good with this silver device that I have right here. Look at that. I think it makes for a good color combo. You're gonna get the same cutouts for the cameras. Again, if you happen to drop it flat down on a flat surface like that, you should be protected. Same thing with the display in the front. You're gonna get some nice lips all the way around. So if you happen to drop it on a flat surface like that, it should protect that display. Same cutouts at the top for the microphone and the speaker, and same cutouts at the bottom for the microphone, speaker, and charging port. And of course, same cutouts for the volume rockers and that power button. And then of course, if we open this up, we're gonna get the same protection around that inside display. But overall, I think it's a great looking case. This is what it's going to look like when the device is open. I actually think it looks really, really good. Look at that. And then of course, it's not going to add too much bulk to your device. But this is the slim black case from Ringke, looking good. And then of course we have to test out the wireless charging real quick, even though we know it's going to work, but you know, we got to test it out with all the cases here. And boom, as you can see, wireless charging does work with this case as well. But there it is, the slim cases from Ringke for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment sections below which one of these cases are your favorite. If you're gonna pick one up, let me know which one you do pick up. Like I said, if you do find yourself interested in any of these cases here for your Galaxy Z Fold 3, I'll make sure to leave some links down in the description below. But I'd love to know your thoughts on these. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.